girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that.
Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs. Today, this is a frontal wig. Usually I wear closure wigs, but I decided to try a frontal again because if you follow my spam me, you know I said that I'm never going to do a frontal again. But we're going to do it. And this wig is super cute, so that's why I don't mind. But without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So what you're gonna need, you should already know, but if you don't know, you're gonna need a wig cap. Wig caps, they come in 2 pieces. You only need 1, so sis, just use 1, don't use 2, because then you'll just be spending extra money to get more. You'll also need some got-to-be spray. So this can be the glueless method, as y'all say, but I have lace glue. I just don't like using it because it's so hard to like get out my hair and get out my wig, so I don't use it like that. Plus, I don't wear my wigs that long anyways. As you guys know, I'm always switching it up now. You know me. But yeah, so this is what the wig cap looks like. Take one off. These wig caps I got from Aliexpress, and you should really start getting your wig caps from Aliexpress because you can get like packs for like $12, and if you go to your beauty supply store, they're about like 97 cents each, which isn't that bad, but still. I'm stretching out. This is how I stretch it out because I have a big head. Usually my hair is in 4 braids and pinned back, but I have to go to work after this, so literally I'm gonna have to take the wig right off and put my hair up in a bun, so I didn't put it in 4 braids. But usually it'll be in 4 braids and pinned back, kind of like a braid down, but like the lazy way. I'm just going to put on the wig cap. This looks super weird. I'm trying to brush my, not brush, but put my edges back because they do be coming down. That's annoying. And if I'm looking over, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. I got this mirror from Five Below for like $9. It's not Five Below, but still, it's $9. And everywhere else, it was like 20. Yeah. So I'm pulling it down over my ears. Trying to pull it all the way down like over my ear so I can cut a hole. The main reason I said I wasn't gonna do a frontal again was, one, because I freaking cut my ear trying to cut the lace. I cut my ear and it was like bleeding. It didn't hurt because I didn't really know I did it at first, but still, I still ended up cutting my ear. Now we're gonna do the other side. And like the scissors I'm using are literally like school scissors, like what the world. They're not even like kitty scissors or anything like that. So I don't know how they have the ability to cut me because they are so freaking not rusted, but they're like dual. Battery literally is not charged a lot. Like it's probably about to die during this video, so I'm gonna try to do this quick, speed up the process. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take some makeup. This is the 3D Face Creator Foundation. You can literally get it in your beauty supply store for like $4 or $5. Yeah. And this is in the shade 10. Yeah, it's in the shade 10. I wouldn't wear it on myself like in public for y'all try to fry me or whatever. I wouldn't do that. But I just use it to put over my wig cap to make my wigs blend more. Now we're going to take our got-to-be spray, and we're just going to spray it and like tap it in. I feel like I'm running out of it, or it's just not spraying right. I don't know why it's spraying like that. Make sure you really get your ear tabs. I'm so glad I did not wash my face yet, because yeah, I would be upset. Like I said, make sure you really get your ear tabs, because that's what comes up the most. And you want to have it low enough, like, to where you can see my hairline, obviously. But you want to have it low enough to where you have enough space to cut. Leave room for less mistakes. So this is the wig. It would be a little bit slicker and thicker, but I over processed it. I'm not gonna lie, I freaking over processed it, but it was kind of worth it. A lot of hair came out and it still sheds from time to time, but it's like brighter than any of the other color wigs I've made. Anyways, now that it's dry, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like real quick, because I just can't wait. Hold on. Oof, oof, oof. It's gonna look better once I slick everything, but still, it's a nice color on me, I think. And it is from Eullair Hair. So what we're gonna do now is cut our wig cap. We're gonna cut the wig cap. It needs to be enough to like cover our hair, but it doesn't have to be that low. Like, I can't see my hairline honestly because it's dry now, but I do know that the ear tabs on my lace isn't like that. See how my ear tab is coming up? I'm gonna spray it again. That was literally on my face. Like, gonna spray it, and we're gonna blow dry it again. Let me just move my phone. I'm using this to smooth out the rolls. Like, I'm gonna go through, spray a little bit along here, and I'm gonna use that to smooth out the rolls. Like, it rolls up after you cut it. So what I'm gonna do is blow dry it and hold it down. Yeah, it'll get better. Hoping to that it will most definitely get better. Oh child. So now we can actually put on the wig for real. So I do not have an elastic band on it. I told y'all my camera be acting stupid, so essentially I have the wig on now. When the clip last ended, that's when I was putting on the wig. All I did was spray around my hairline and a little bit on the wig cap, not a lot, a little bit. I blow dried it and then I applied the wig on. So now we're here in real time where the wig is applied, and I'm just combing it, seeing where some places are lifting up, you know, bada bing bada boom. I can cut this part of the wig cap off because that's annoying. Yep, so this is it right now, real time. Like I was saying, I only have a little bit of mousse in both things, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we got. We're gonna use this toothbrush. Oh, that looked gross. Anyways, we're using this toothbrush because I don't want to use my edges brush because I use that for my actual edges. And with this, I'll be using Got to Be Glued and all of that mess. I don't want that on my real hair. And we're going to use that to lay down our edges, basically. Now, usually I do the front swoop edges. I don't know if I'm going to do that this time. I just have to see how it looks. And like I said, if I'm looking over here, it's because my mirror is over here. Got it from Five Below. Get you one. But really, we're just swooping it back into the hair like so. And because my hair, I'm not gonna curl it again because my curling irons get super hot, like ridiculously hot, and it's quite annoying. It really is. I'm going to put some in the front and just lay my hair down on the top with mousse instead of curling it all over again. We're gonna have to use these old curls. Plus, I need to like really take care of this hair because, like, I'm gonna keep saying, it is freaking damaged. I did that to myself. It did not come like that. And also, this is my first time really like doing a different color, so I was trying to get it as bright as possible. Yeah, it's tangling. Hold on. Okay, so this is it so far. I might do a little side edge action over here if I really feel like it. I don't know if I feel like it. I might just put some mousse and then swoop them that way, because just know on a serious install everything will be on point, like super on point, but because I literally have to go to work at 4 until 1, they don't allow colored hair, which kind of sucks, but it's cool. I don't think any job would really allow colored hair. Maybe like Hot Topic or something. But I'm not the type that's about to fight just to have some colored hair. Like, fight my job. Talking about some self-expression. I'm not going to do all of that. Now, the last thing I'm going to do with this little install or whatever is put makeup in my part, because I did not pluck the part. I did pluck the hairline. I did not pluck the part. Did not pluck the part, because every time I pluck the part, it freaking, it's always too thick and it looks ugly. So I just don't. The look is way cuter with earrings and lip gloss, but I just woke up like an hour ago. Well, I just decided to, you know, get going. I might slick my edges up front just because you can see a little bit of the lace. And spray it a little bit, try to blend that in as much as possible. Myself, I checked myself. Oh yeah, yeah. This is some really good mousse. This is the olive oil tea tree oil mousse. That is really good. But yep, you guys seen it. This is my green wig. Slimy, super slimy. I'll be taking more pictures in it. I haven't taken any pictures for Instagram in it yet. I don't know when I will, because I'm always working. I work 2 jobs now, y'all, so that's why I'm not uploading like that. Appreciate the grind, because it is gonna help me do like more fun things like giveaways and stuff, because I won't be freaking broke, you know. It's fun. It's not fun, but it's gonna be fun for you guys, because you guys don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for me to upload. But yeah, this is the wig install. This is like the surface area of how to do it. You can look at Erica J and other YouTubers who really do hair all the time. They can tell you how to do it. I always watch Erica J's videos, you know. So this is how I would do a serious install or whatever on me, whoever else. You know the vibes. We're coming slimy, period. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. This hair is from Eullair Hair. Check them out. This is 22 inches. This is their already pre-made wig. It was really good. The wig did come pre-plucked. I just decided to pluck it on my own, pluck it some more, but yeah. Like I said, this hair is from Eullair Hair. Do not sleep on them. This is from their AliExpress store, not their website or their Amazon store or whatever other stores they have. This is from their AliExpress store, so don't sleep on AliExpress. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once more, comment some colors that you want me to do. I'll try to make a tutorial on how to do those colors. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.